Today I have got a couple items for review from Kaffè. This does come to me from Amazon. So what I've got here is a coffee storage container. And this is what it's going to look like. It is in black. I do think they come in different colors. But I just don't remember off the top of my head what colors they are. So this says it keeps the grounded coffee or beans fresh. It has a secure pop socket airtight closure, premium design for a modern kitchen, and perfect size for storing kitchen items. And then there's all their socials and their website. So this one, and this is pretty heavy. This one is an electric blade coffee grinder with a removable cup, also in black. And this, it says that has a removable cup, takes coffee beans from coarse to fine quickly and efficiently for fresh brewing. Has an easy on and off push button control, transparent lid, allows visibility. It has a strong, durable stainless steel cutting blades, and it's compact and functional. And again, it has their socials. So let's go ahead and open this one and see what it looks like. Like I said, it's very heavy, so it just feels sturdy. So it has a glass bottom here, and let's see, let's see, is there anything in there? Nope. Okay, so it has numbers, if y'all can see on there, and I guess that just is how tight the lid is on or something. Just pops off. It has a rubber seal on it. You can see the inside is glass. This is stainless steel. This part here is plastic. So I'm not sure if that comes off. I guess not. But you can wash it. And then again, this just sticks on there. Push it down. And I guess that's to however tight you want it. So there's the container to keep your beans in after you've ground them or prior. So this is the grinder itself. Let's see. Also comes with a little brush. Let me move that over to the side. Alright, so it does have a cord with a plug-in. Here's the front of it. This does come apart. So you would put your beans in there. I think there's a certain way you've got to put this on. It has installation. Anyway, it has the installation, how you do this. And it also says that once you get your beans in here and your lid and everything on, it says all you got to do is push this down for 30 seconds. It'll work up to 30 seconds at a time, but you don't need to go no more than don't go over a minute. So, I think, let's see. Yeah, you just push this down and it grinds them. So it's pretty easy. And this is plastic. This is made out of stainless steel. It's fairly simple. I mean, there you can see the blades. And then it comes with this little brush so that you can clean it. Easy to clean, easy to get, clean the coffee ground beans. I'll get it out here in a minute once you get them ground up. So yeah, so here's how you do it. So you put this on, then you put this on, and of course you see it has this little spot right here that this lines up with, and you just push it down and it grinds them up. So again, this is sent to me from Amazon, but the company is Kaffè, and this is really nice, and this would make a great Christmas gift for anybody who likes, fresh ground beans for their coffee. So I will put the links to these in my description box, and y'all can check this out for yourself. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And until my next one, I'll see you later.